Hey everybody, Peppa and I were gifted this elevated doghouse. It is very large, so let's take a look at all of the features and then stay tuned to the end. I'm going to put it together for you. Comes with these screens on each side, and the material is really nice. It's that Oxford cloth material. You also have the skylights at the top with Velcro to hold those up. This is great. You're going to get a lot of nice ventilation. The frame itself is steel and PVC pipes. So you can see the bed itself is also that breathable mesh. So this is really nice for the summer, fall, and spring weather. In the winter, you could put a blanket or something in there, but what's nice is it keeps your dog off of the ground and nice and dry. This is also very lightweight, and you can move this around your yard to wherever you would like to put it. When it gets a little bit colder, you can put the window flaps down and close the skylights, and that's really nice. It's going to make it a lot cozier in there. The assembly itself is tool-free, which is very, very nice. And this can hold up to 200 pounds. Now, my girl Peppa is only 9 pounds, so it is really no match for her. The Oxford fabric provides excellent wind, rain, and snow protection. And again, I love those windows. The Velcro is really nice quality, so that is going to stay down even when it's windy. This is a really nice option for an outdoor doghouse. You could also use this in a garage to keep your dog off the floor while you're working in your garage on all of your tasks, to have your dog next to you. We are really loving this. Stay tuned to see how you put it together. Here are all of the pieces that we are going to put together. Okay, step one is you are going to unroll the base and get all of your base parts together. So you have 1, 2, 3 small bars. You have a large bar there, 3 small bars, and then 1 large bar. In the middle, these pieces are all labeled the same, HHH. It's 3 different pieces that go together to form that leg. And then you are going to attach them to these connectors, which I am going to do now, and then our base is together. So once you get the base together, which really does require 2 people because this is taut to get these corners on here and here, and then all of the connector pieces on. So that is the hardest part of this whole thing. Then you just build the frame at the top with these connector pieces. Follow the directions to put all of the correct letters together. And then you have your structure. And we're going to put the top on and we'll be all set.